Does that voice in your head constantly tell you you're not good enough? Let me tell you a secret. You can silence that inner critic and take back control. And you will automatically move closer to your authentic self-image by doing this. That mental picture in your mind that creates everything in your life. Peter here, and I know how it feels to battle that relentless inner critic. I had it for years and years and years. The voice that always seems to have something negative to say. But here's the thing, that voice isn't you. It's just a conditioned response built up over time from experiences and beliefs. And the great news, you can rewrite that narrative. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to silence that inner critic once and for all, so you can start seeing yourself in a completely new, empowering light. Stick around, because what I'm going to share with you will set you free from that negative voice for good. And goodness me, do I want that for you, because I know how bad it is. The inner critic can be persistent, but you are more powerful than it. Here are 3 steps you can take to silence it and step into a healthier, more positive self-image. Recognize it is not what it is. The voice isn't you. It really isn't you. It's just the voice. The first step is recognizing that the inner critic is just a collection of past judgments, experiences, and fears, not the truth about who you are, because the truth about who you are is truly amazing. Challenge it. Whenever the inner critic pops up with a negative statement, ask yourself, is this really true? Often you'll find that it's not. It's just a fear or insecurity masquerading as fact. And the last point, replace it with empowering thoughts. Once you challenge your critic, replace those negative statements with positive, affirming ones. For instance, instead of, I'm not good enough, replace it with, I am more than enough. Really, really affirm that. If you're tired of letting your inner critic control your life and are ready to rewrite your self-image, I invite you to enjoy my online course, Rewrite Your Self-Image. Together we'll dive deep into strategies that will help you silence that critic and start living from a place of confidence and empowerment. You can shine from the inner you. It is what we call in our practice your true self, the innermost energetic being that is locked up inside of you, buried by a lifetime of conditioning. Click the link below to learn more. I can't wait to help you rewrite your story. I look forward to connecting with you in the course. Till then, be well and keep shining.